is the bridge between you and everything.
Rumi once said, "Love is the bridge between you and everything." Love is not just an emotion, it is the thread that connects us all. It weaves the fabric of our lives, binding us together even when we are apart. It is the bridge, the path that connects us to each other, to the world, to everything. In love we find unity. We find connection, not through words but through presence. Love has no boundaries, no walls, it simply flows. Like the river that carries the sun's reflection, endless and pure. When we allow ourselves to feel deeply, we realize that love is the pulse of the universe, flowing through every living being, guiding us toward understanding, compassion, and unity. Love is the bridge, and when we step onto it, we become part of something much greater than ourselves. In love, we are not just individuals, we are part of everything, connected, whole. Love is the bridge, the connection that binds us to all that is, all that was, and all that will be.
Love is the bridge between you and everything.
Ruminate, the space between thought and transformation.